Well, here we go. Starting on my no-dig garden plot. And I drew up a design which I've already edited. So this is the area that we're going to put that no-digs garden plot in, and we've got some work to do to get it prepped. We've got to remove some stones and move this shrub bush tree out of the way, as well as prepare the ground with the cardboard and the many layers of mulch and compost and manure and straw. So I got started today and I got quite a bit done, as much as my body would allow me to do. So these are the early stages of the garden, and if you'd like to follow along, I'll be posting more pictures and audio comments on my YouTube channel. This will be quite an experiment for me to see if no-dig gardening is prosperous here, but I would like to grow more food for our family where I know exactly what's going into the food and how fresh it is. Because I am brand new to this, I really do appreciate any comments and suggestions that you want to offer to me. Right now I am doing a lot of gathering of the supplies and doing a lot of research as well.